The big advantage of panelized lighting is it takes all the wall switches that you have on the wall, and it gives us a beautiful keypad that allows you to control the lighting much easier. There's some key components that you really have to consider when you're thinking about proposing this. We're all trying to better our families. And the more I've done this, I realize that we all can help each other. My name is Wes Palmer with Sound Effects. This is our Lucky Dog video about panelized lighting. Oh, actually, no. I can tell you the dumbest thing I've done in the past 6 months. Don't ever call the head coach of any team a dick.